In order to use a function, you need to call it. A function call tells your application to run the code from the function wherever you choose to call it. The syntax for a function call is the function name followed by parentheses. So we have an example here. So we have declared a function called test rather, without a parameter. So we know that it is a function because it has been declared with the function keyword and it has an empty code block. But the function test has been called here. So we are to call our padrow function like this. So padrow with the parentheses and semicolon. So for now, it would execute nothing or it would do nothing because it has an empty code block. Nice.